Hello, my wonderful chemistry students. Welcome to week 8 of remote learning. Guys, we're there. We're like done. Let me show you what needs to be accomplished this week, but then let's talk about the end of the quarter and what that means and all that good stuff. Okay, so when you go to Canvas and you go to our chemistry page, first thing I want you to notice, says it's the 11th through the 13th. So this last Friday, the 8th, was the last day for new material for seniors. Okay? So any of my seniors, what needs to be accomplished by you is this Unit 6 quiz. That is going on your grade, but this will be the last item on your grade. Okay? Now, everyone else, the last day for new material is the 13th. Okay? So here's the big item that needs to be completed. Before you do anything else, I need your Unit 6 quiz done and get your retake out of the way if you're going to do your retake, test corrections, all those things. So before you dive into this, your quiz needs to be completed first. Okay? And then once your quiz is done, the only other item that needs to be accomplished this week is turning in your Unit 6 guided notes. And instead of having this be another assignment, I've decided to give you assignment extra credit for your notes. Okay? So what you're going to do is you will click on the Unit 6 guided notes assignment that I have here, and then you're going to be turning in your notes. What was it, like pages 1 through 13 or 1 through 11, whatever pages we finished with Unit 6, that's what we'll be turning in. So you have a couple ways you can do this. If you've been filling out your notes digitally, then you can just turn your digital copy in. That works great. If you've been filling out a hard copy, you can take a picture of your notes and turn those pictures in, or you can put those pictures on a Google Doc and then turn that Google Doc in. You can scan your notes and turn them in that way. A few of us have been like laying out all of our notes and then taking a video of them. So like if you have it all in your binder and you just want to slowly flip through your binder through each page of the notes while you're taking a video, that works as well. Okay, so send me one of those options, turn it in here on Canvas, and that will give you 10 points assignment extra credit. So if you were missing an assignment or if you did poorly on an assignment, then this would help with that. Okay. Now let's talk about the end of the quarter. So like I said, the last day for new material is the 13th, but grades are going to be posted on the 18th. So that's not this Monday, but the following Monday. And so as far as I'm aware, grades are up to date. So you need to keep a really close eye on your grades and make sure that what's going in PowerSchool is correct, or if something is missing or not showing up on PowerSchool, let me know soon because your final grades are going to be posted on the 18th. If you have not done so, please get this form filled out. Let's talk about your grades. So you, based on your normal percentage for this quarter, could earn an A, a B, or a C, right? So like the 100% down to like the 70%. Now, if you score less than 70%, but greater than 11%, then your grade is going to be a pass. If you have less than 11% this quarter, then you get a no credit grade. Okay? So let's talk through what this form is. Let's say that you earn an A. Then you should probably, when you fill out this form, I would keep that A. Because if you have a 4.0, then that keeps you at a 4.0, but if you have anything less than a 4.0, then that would only increase your GPA. Now, let's say that you earned a B, and this does increase your GPA, then I would keep it as a B. But again, this is up to you. This is just my advice. Take it for what it is. If you earn a C, but that would lower your overall GPA, then I suggest changing it to a pass. Because a pass gives you credit for the class, but it doesn't lower your GPA. It also doesn't increase your GPA, but if your letter grade that you would have received other than the pass, it does lower your GPA, then I would go with the pass instead. Okay? So there is that area, that percentage area of less than 70%, I believe, to 11%, where you will automatically get the pass grade, and then less than 11% is no credit. No credit is kind of like a fail, but it doesn't hurt your GPA. So you do not get credit for the class, just like when you fail a course. You'll have to retake this quarter of chemistry. But it also doesn't hurt your GPA. So that's what the no credit means. Right? All right, so again, end of the quarter. Last day that you're responsible for new material is the 13th. And grades are going to be posted on the 18th. And then for those of you that are graduating or want to watch graduation, that's going to be on the 21st. All right, guys. Let me know if you have any questions at all. Please send me an email, and I'll get right back to you. Keep a close eye on your grade, and I'll talk to you all next week.